Hey y'all, what's up? How you doing? What you doing? If you know by now, my name is Ellen Marie, and if you're new, hey girl, how you doing? If you're not, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I feel like I haven't sat down in like a long time to film an actual video because I've had braids, as you can see. In my last video I did the last video I recorded was a updated length check of my hair before I got my braids or whatever. And yeah, I'm so sad to see my braids go. They're not going just yet, but they are going in a couple of days because I just can't do it no more. I can't do it no more. So I'm gonna basically, we're gonna refresh my hair today. Y'all can't see right now, but I'm about to show y'all because it look a hot mess under here. Ooh. Now, I want y'all to guess before I tell y'all. Guess how long I've had my braids. It's been longer than a week, y'all know that, but like, it's just, the braids, I'm sorry, it's almost time for them to go. Okay, so these are my braids, and as y'all can see, I have little pieces coming out. My roots, you can't even see my parts that much anymore. I've had my braids, today is July the 15th. I've had my braids for exactly 1 month because I got them done on the 15th, so exactly 1 month. And I have loved my hair. Loved that my hair is put away and I can just get up, do what I gotta do, all that type of stuff. And especially since I work outside, I usually wake up like an hour before, just get in the shower, put my clothes on and go. I don't have to worry about my hair, so it's such a good feeling. But now it's almost time. But before I do take them out, I do want to show y'all how I've been refreshing my hair. I wish I had done it earlier. I've been like really steady on TikTok, and if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, because I don't know, TikTok is just a better platform for you to really get yourself out there. So I've been like really going hard in the paint on TikTok. Okay, so if you want to see all about my hair and this and how to maintain it and stuff like that, then go to TikTok right there, and it'll have all the information for you, and my TikTok will be down below, just in case you need to go back or whatever. But yeah, so today we're just gonna refresh my hair. So I'm just showing y'all right now what my hair is looking like. I have a lot of little pieces sticking out, flyaways. I don't have that much buildup. I have a little bit around my edges, but not as much as I thought I was gonna have, so that's a good thing. But to be refreshing my hair, I'm gonna be using like a good maybe 4 products, 4 maybe 5, can't remember, I don't know. But today we're just gonna get into it, so let's go ahead and get into it. So to refresh my braids, my scalp is very oily. I have a lot of like, when I scratch I have like stuff under my nails, so yeah, that's not cute. What I've been doing lately as a type 4 girly, we don't really use dry shampoo, but today we're going to be using that. So this is the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy Bodybuilding Dry Shampoo. I've been using dry shampoo with braids just because I don't want to wash my hair. I'm sorry, I don't like washing my hair while it's in braids. So what I'm going to do is use this. I've used about maybe this much of it, so we're going to use this today. So it looks like this. I've been using this, it smells really good. I'm not a dry shampoo girl, because you know, but I'm just going to use this on my scalp, and this is going to help with some of that buildup and dirt. Now one thing about this, it smells really good. Now it does leave like a white little cast, but I'm gonna rub it in so you won't see it. I'm especially make sure I get this on my edges, okay? Make sure to get my back. The back I'm not really worried about, but it is a little dry. Make sure to get my roots. Okay, and after I've used that, I'm just gonna rub everything in. Rub. And usually I use more, but I did this a couple of days ago because my hair is getting to the point where I have to do it like maybe once a week. So rub that Joni. Just rub it, do it. Now y'all see I did my edit the other day. So not the other day, like a day ago. So now this is kind of backwards, but next I'm going to put some of the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint Oil on my scalp, just because my scalp is really itchy. Like, it's time for me to take these out. And usually I know when it's time to take my braids out because my skin will start acting up, and my skin has started to act up. So I'll be taking my braids out the next couple of days. Bittersweet, but it was fun while it lasted. And I'll make sure I get everywhere, especially my edges. Okay. And after I do that, I'm just gonna rub. Oh, that stuff, it feels really good. Like now my scalp has a lot more build-up, so I don't feel it as much, but the teeny, just a little bit. Okay, after I do that, y'all can tell my braids don't look bad, but they get a little frizzy. So to combat that in my hair underneath, just to make sure that my hair underneath is moisturized, I have this Texture ID Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of my favorite spray leave conditioners. Well, probably my only favorite spray leave-in conditioner. I'm not really a spray fan, but for this I've been spraying my scalp a little bit and my actual length of my hair. So, and it comes out, I'm gonna show y'all how it comes out. It comes out, can y'all see? Y'all can see how it's not just water, it is kind of creamy based. So I just been putting this on my hair to make sure that my hair underneath is moisturized, and I spray a little bit on my scalp. Not so much now, but like when I first got my hair done, I was using this to make sure that my hair was good. Now like right here, where'd it go? This little piece, that's, where'd it go? Jeez, okay. There we go. This little piece that's sticking out, I will spray that because that is my hair. And I want my hair to be moisturized when I take it out. And now I'm just gonna do the other side. Y'all see another piece? There you go. So once I have that, I'm gonna work it in. Y'all don't mind my armpits. I'm gonna shave when I get in the shower today, but don't mind. So that's that. Okay. And this is what my hair is looking like. Now I do want to show y'all a picture or a video of what my hair was looking like beforehand, like when I first got it done. So yeah, like my hair was looking so good then. Like I wish I could go back to that, but I can't. But yeah, so my ends don't look that bad. They're a little straggly, but I'm gonna leave them be. I did soak them like one more time after I got them done, but I'm just gonna leave them be because I'm taking them out in a couple of days. It'll be fine. So my next step is that I'm going to apply some of the Mielle Pomegranate Mousse. I can't really see it because my light is on like that. I'm going to be applying this. Now this is more of a curl defining mousse, but it's the only mousse I have. So, and I really like it, and it smells good, so it makes my hair smell good. So I just take a couple pumps of that. And what I like to do is I like to part my hair how I'm gonna wear it for that day. So I've been really liking the side part because my middle part is like kind of off because my hair is not as neat no more. So I part it to the side and then I put my mousse. And you want to make sure you get it on the middle where your hair is going to be seen, because that's what you want to lay down. Now you can apply more mousse, and usually I would apply more mousse, but since I'm doing this, I only have like an hour or two before I'm gonna leave the house, and I want it to dry. The key is for it to dry, or at least semi-dry. It don't have to be 100% dry, but the closer the better. Okay, and you want to make sure you work it in. I'm gonna apply a little bit more to my middle because y'all see the little hairs right there sticking up. I need those to be flat. Okay, flat. Flatiana. And you want to lay it down the way you want your hair to lay. So if you want your hair in a middle part or side part, then you want to press it down in that middle or side part. This will help you. This is just like styling your curly hair, to be honest. Okay, once I do that, next I have to work a little quickly because I'm going to do my edges because I want my edges to be good. So I'm going to use this edge fixer glue And I've been using Eco Styler gel. When I first got my hair done, I wasn't using Eco Styler because I didn't want it to build up. But now that I'm taking my hair out soon and they're like really frizzy and flyaway, I'm just going to do it. I'm going to use this. And you see how that like pulled my edges together. My hair really likes Eco Styler, but I don't like to use it when I have braids because of buildup. And you do want to get the side parts too, okay? Because you want everything to be cute. So I am gonna place a little bit back here because I want it to be huge. I don't want it to be all puffy. And I don't know why I'm talking like this. And once I have a good amount of Eco Styler on everything, that is when I'm going to take the edge fixer glue, and I barely have any left, but I'm going to use it till it's all gone. And I'm just going to place that on it, and this is going to hold them in place, and it's going to like really, the edge, the Eco Styler is really to like mold my hair down, but this is going to help my hair stay down. And I put a good amount just because my hair, now that it's older, it's not staying as long because build up and stuff. But next, you're just gonna reinforce what you already did with the Eco Styler. You want to reinforce everything you did. Now I do have a little bit of white stuff just because I've been doing this for a couple of days. So yeah, but if you're just not doing this like your first or second week of having braids, then you'll be fine. Now I'm done, but I'm going to apply a little bit more mousse because I think it dried a little too quickly because I have the fan on a little bit. So I just applied 3 more pumps. I'm just going to put it on the middle because I want my hair to have a good amount. Alright, once I have that all down, I'm going to set my hair. And you want to work fast with this part. So I'm going to set my hair with my scarf. And really, you can put your hair, ooh, it is really bright. You can put, okay, look. I'm going to set my hair with a scarf next. And you can put your hair in a ponytail in the back just to have it secure, but I'm not going to do that. And what I'm going to do is tie it in the front. And I'm going to pull it down so it'll lay my hair flat. You see? And then I'm going to wrap it again. Y'all don't mind my little thing. Now, usually I have another scarf, and I do have another scarf, but I'm going to wrap it around my edges because I am going to get in the shower, but I don't know where it is right now. So when I come back, you'll see it on my head, but yeah. So I'm gonna go hop in the shower and let this sit for about a good 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what my hair is looking like. So yeah. Okay y'all, so I am back and it is now 1:48. It's been I started like 11:50 something, or I finished my hair around like 11:50 something. So I did my makeup, did a little face, and I got dressed and all of that. Let me put my necklace out. Boom. And now I'm just going to take down my hair. Now I did wash my face, so my edges, I might have to redo them a little bit, but I think for the most part they'll be fine. Y'all just gonna see. Whoa baby, look at that flat. Look at it's on flat, 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 flat. Now it's not as flat as I would like it to be because I didn't have that much time, and I didn't put that much mousse because I didn't have that much time. But it looks really, really good. I'm excited. Let me show y'all before after too. It's not as perfect as I would like it to be, but it's fine. I feel like I really did a good job with my makeup too. So y'all let me know. Excuse me, y'all let me know what protective style y'all are getting this summer, and if you got one already, and how do you preserve your protective style and stuff like that. If I get another one, I will try to like have a video for that one because this one was kind of bad. But I think I want to do those little boho braids, the little all natural ones that people have been doing that are on TikTok a lot. I think I want to do those. I really think I want to do those, but we will see. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, and make sure you follow me on TikTok. I think what I'm gonna do is just pin it back. So so I can just wear my hair like this. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I might just put a clip in it, to be honest, because I've been really into the little claw clip style, and that's kind of why I want to do the boho braids or whatever. So I'll do it like that. Now I do have a couple of flyaways, but nothing crazy. It looks way better. But yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.